Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle comes in our high country trim with our brown metallic paint, as well as chrome alloy rims. We have our chrome front grille, rear privacy tint, brown leather interior seating, running boards, as well as our four-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our two-tone dark and light brown. We also have our chrome door handle, our memory seats. Down below that we have our padded armrest, close handle, wooden trim, rear child locks and rear window locks, as well as automatic power windows for front and rear. In front of that we have our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our power mirror adjustment with our joystick and power mirror fold-in. Down below we have our Bose speaker, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with power lumbar support adjustment. Moving off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive system, daytime running lights, as well as our interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. We can adjust what is displayed on that screen with the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. We also have our voice commands and phone hang-up. Classic Chevrolet bow tie in the middle. And off to the left we have our front collision alert, heated steering wheel and cruise control. Steering wheel is wrapped in brown leather. Our infotainment screen displays our audio, phone, as well as projection for our phone and navigation. We also have our text reader and OnStar voice commands. Down below that we have our radio controls, eject for our CD player located underneath, and our dual zone climate controls. We also have heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Our pedal adjustment, traction control, truck bed lighting, park assist, as well as our lane departure warning. Then we have our two USB ports, two 12-volt charging ports, as well as a power outlet. Storage down below, as well as two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with remote charging port on top. And inside of the center console, we have our two USB ports, auxiliary input, opposite a 12-volt charging port. The front seats are featured in brown patent leather, high country embossed into the headrests. We can see we have our tan stitching, as well as our tan leather trim, and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat to allow for maximum breathability of the leather. On our rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, three garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, rear sliding window controls, and our sunglass holder. Tan headliner, as well as a sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. We also have our high country badging on the side, and our chrome running boards with rubber foot pads, chrome mirror caps, as well as chrome door handles, rear privacy tint, rear tonneau cover, as well as 4x4 badging. And around to the rear we have our Silverado and high country badging, as well as a rear chrome bumper and Chevrolet bow tie. Now on to the rear interior, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door panel, which also features our two-tone brown. We have our chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, wooden trim, storage and speaker. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console we have two storage compartments, as well as a 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are also featured in our brown patent leather with perforated leather. And we have our fold-out center seat, which features two cup holders, rear defrost lines, and rear sliding window. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.